Police use of force has been a major topic of debate across the country for the past year, and today a local citizen review committee discussed some proposed changes to how our constable's office in Harris County would interact with the public.
And that's right, and tonight Fox 26's Tiffany Justice has a look at these suggestions that may end up leading to some new policies.
Harris County Precinct 1 Constable Alan Rosen speaking Tuesday, saying they are leading the way with new force of use policy.
Today, history was in the making.
For the first time ever, all 8 constables co-authoring new force of use policy with the input of citizens and community leaders. Eric Davis with the Public Defender's Office.
A proposed policy that was responsive to community needs, responsive to best practices, and there was some areas and parts that were revolutionary.
Inside the proposed policy, officers will have a duty to intervene, meaning if an officer sees another doing something wrong, they have to, per policy, intervene. There are also requirements for accountability if there is a violation to the policy. Required reporting will be mandatory in any use of force in the community. The constables also committing to de-escalation.
One of the most important things that came out of today from a citizen said you can use education as a de-escalation tool when you train the public about our profession.
Community leaders championing the proposed policy, saying it brings both sides of the criminal justice system working together.
This was a chance for people to be involved in what's being put forth up front, and that is a game changer because that is not how it generally works.
Citizens got a chance to partake in an active shooter simulator for David Williams. It was an eye-opening experience of the responsibilities a badge could bring.
I hear a lot of people saying, well, you know, why didn't that officer shoot them in the leg? That's the movies. You don't have time. When someone's pointing a gun at you, you don't have time. You need to stop the threat immediately.
Now, these recommendations will go to the county's attorneys for a final review. That was our Tiffany Justice reporting.